Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a shared to-do list in Microsoft To-Do. Let's get started. First, go to your web and search for Microsoft To-Do. Now, once you're here, click on Get Started, follow the instructions that Microsoft To-Do will give you, then input your info. Once you've logged in, you will be directed to Microsoft Dashboard. Now, once you're here, click on the three lines beside Tasks, then click on New List. Give a title to your list, click Enter, then, once you're here, add 8 tasks. Now, once you've added tasks, on the top right of the screen, click on the Share button, click Create Invitation Link. This will enable anyone with this link and a Microsoft account to join and edit this list. Now you can either invite via email or you can just copy the link and send it to them directly through private message. And that's it. That's how you create a shared to-do list in Microsoft To Do. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.